greet tickets are gone. Welcome back to Disney Cruisers. I know a big draw for a Disney cruise is that you get to be so close to the characters and interact with them during different times and see them randomly. When you go onto your profile and do your online check-in, there is a place where you can book onboard activities, and one of these activities is labeled the Princess Gathering. There are multiple ones on different days of your cruise. You simply need to go through and find out what suits your schedule best and get tickets. You have to reserve a ticket either before you go or on the ship, and you'll get to see princesses Belle, Cinderella, Snow White, Aurora, Rapunzel, Tiana, Ariel. It depends on what ship you're on. They'll have photo pass people there. You can take your own pictures, you can do autographs, whatever you want. So how do I get these tickets? They do sell out. If they sell out, it's okay. The first thing you need to do when you get on the ship is go to guest services and pick up tickets. They do leave some behind for those who don't do online check-in so they can attend the Princess Gathering, but you have to be quick. You have to go do it right away. It has to be something you remember to do. Now at these Princess Gatherings, it's in the atrium, and there is a line, and everyone who gets in the line has to give a ticket. So let's say there's 4 of you, and maybe the dad doesn't really care to go up and see the princesses, so the mom takes the kids. That means you would only really need 3 tickets for this event. So you can get 4 and just choose not to use one, or you can only select that you need 3 to leave some open for other people. At the princess meet and greet, since it is in the atrium, the dad who doesn't get in the line, he can still see everything. You can go up on different decks and look down. You could just simply stand behind the rope and watch your family as they go see the princesses. If you happen to be on a sailing where there's a frozen meet and greet, that is a little bit different because the line is kind of hidden and you can't really see Anna and Elsa, so it is a little bit different. But this is just for the Princess Gathering. It's really fun to interact with them on the ship because there's not as many people, and since it's a ticketed event, only a certain amount of people are actually going at the time you're going. So which princess is your favorite princess? Write down in the comments below what your favorite princess is. I'm not looking, do it. Did you write down your favorite princess? Okay, so later I'm going to go through and I'm going to see all the princesses listed, and then I'll do a video letting you know exactly where to find those princesses on your cruise. Because the Princess Gathering is not the only place where you can meet characters and princesses. If you did online check-in and you got your Princess Gathering tickets reserved online, then when you go into your stateroom, there will be an envelope with your actual tickets in the envelope, and that's what you take with you to the Princess Gathering. If you sign up and get them at guest services later, then they will either give them to you at guest services or your stateroom host will bring them to your stateroom later in an envelope, and you can have your hard tickets. If you are going to go to the Princess Gathering and you do want to get autographs, then you should check out my video of the Disney cruise at the Dollar Tree. I'll link it below. It has a lot of good information, including some things you can take with you to the Princess Gathering. Thanks for stopping by, checking out this video on Disney Cruisers. If you like Disney cruising, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to us now, because you don't want to miss anything, especially if your cruise is coming up. That would be horrible if you forgot precious information. Bye.